All right, for sellers who are considering a reverse mortgage, I know you have a lot of questions, so I have Bill Donofrio here basically to answer some questions. And a question that we just got from a viewer is, Bill, how can a reverse mortgage be advantageous to a homeowner such as myself if I'm looking to sell my current property and downsize?
Okay. Also very popular use for reverse mortgages. It is called the HECM for Purchase Program, HECM. HECM stands for Home Equity Conversion Mortgage, which is the legal name for an FHA insured reverse mortgage. So this program is very, very cool because it allows someone over the age of 62 to purchase a home with a reverse mortgage. So you would be putting down a sizable down payment, but you would not need to make a monthly mortgage payment. You would be responsible for paying your real estate tax, your homeowner's insurance. You would need to live in the home as your primary residence and perform basic maintenance. But there's so many advantages to doing this, and I know a lot of people who are doing this. They are selling their properties. You know, let me see if you've heard this one before, Evans.
I'm listening.
Someone gets sick and tired of Northeast winters, and they decide to sell their home up here and move to someplace south.
Warmer?
I don't know.
Warmer?
Somewhere warmer.
They want to dig their feet in the sand? Yes. I think I've heard of that from a couple of my clients.
Okay.
They moved to warmer climates. They retired their shovel.
Right. So what typically happens is that when someone, let's say they clear $600,000 on the sale of their home up here, and they want to move down south, they want to move somewhere else. You can either move closer to family or you could move further away. It works both ways.
Yeah, either one is fine.
So when you use the reverse mortgage, like a lot of people would just take $600,000 and throw it down on the house and buy it in cash. All right, so now they don't have a mortgage payment, right? But here's the downside to that. By putting that $600,000 down on the home, you are losing the use of that money.
Okay.
That then could be a lot of money. So depending on the age of the borrower, we would be able to lend them about 50%. So when they walk with 600, they put 300 down on the new property.
Okay.
We finance the rest with a reverse mortgage.
And they still have that extra 300.
And you have that 300 sitting with your financial planner.
Okay.
Having them grow it, throw off more income for you as you get older. So there's a lot to like about that strategy, an awful lot to like about it. It can put seniors into a home that they really want. They could, a good realtor like Evans and Team N.W.E, they would know they could actually get you more of a house.
Or less, depending on what your
more
situation
or less, depending on what you want. You know what? Realtors that I know are showing people homes that they didn't think were affordable to them because of using the reverse mortgage and this strategy. You can actually buy a nicer house. You can get that extra bedroom for the grandkids. You can get that pool, that's going to bring the grandkids down and have them want to stay. It's a great program. A lot of people don't know about it. Evans, Team N.W.E, they certainly do.
That's one of the points of why we want to interview you, putting out videos like this, just to give people some options. Exactly what you just said. A lot of people don't know what's available, what's out there, and that's kind of the purpose of these videos, is to let them know, hey, you have some options. If this is what your plan is, you want to do this, here's an option that you probably didn't think about. Here's something you probably could do, and maybe it would be advantageous to you and your family to start thinking about the future, that, hey, I can actually use this product to actually fund what I want to do. And actually that idea with basically just using half of the money that you made off of the sale of your home here, and basically using that other half basically with your financial planner, putting that aside.
Yep.
And that's planning money for yourself, for your future needs, or basically leave it for your legacy, for your, whoever's left behind afterwards.
It's playing chess, not checkers. All right?
I like that.
Because if for no other reason, if there was something about retirement, something really important about retirement that you didn't know about, when would you want to know it? Right? You'd want to know it as soon as possible. So that's why I like doing these videos, just the educational part of it. People should be aware of it, and sometimes when you speak with a mortgage loan officer, all they do is traditional loans, and that's all they will show.
That's their specialty, yeah.
So, and it's just good to know what else is out there.
All right, well, that being said, we want to plan the next move since we're talking about chess, so we're planning the next move. So how can they reach you if they want to make that move?
Oh, sure. If you would like to know anything about the reverse mortgage program, the HECM for Purchase program we just spoke of, please give me a call at 917-907-1458.
And you can find me on my cell phone, which I'm filming off of right now. Sorry, but it is the truth. My number is 917-975-5985. You can also reach me at my office number, which is 718-475-2760. Our website is mynyhomesales.com. I'm all over pretty much all social media, pretty much. Even TikTok, and I do not dance. Yet. Well, if I do, I'm making him dance with me. Yeah. But on a serious note, I hope you got some value out of this. If you have any questions about the HECM product or anything else, feel free to reach out to us. Let us know basically what you're thinking and what other content that you want us to put out basically regarding reverse mortgages, since I have this gentleman here with me. So let us know what you're thinking. What do you want to know more about? And with that being said, you got the last words.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for looking in. And we're both here to help. Give us a call.